So yeah, the starting part, it was very clear, somewhere back there. But as soon as you get here, it gets really murky, and I assume out there's gonna be murky as well. So it's kind of pointless trying even to do this. So yeah, I'm gonna go lay down and wait till this rain passes, which I highly doubt. What are we gonna do to get food, huh? You have food, I don't. So this is the ending of the river. Yeah, you're gonna see a bunch of gunk on top of the water, don't mind that. Usually fish tend to hide under there, but because of the fishing nets, I'm sure that they're not gonna be able to come in. So that's not an option. Definitely not an option for Vanilla and I. I do want to get her a fish. I do have her kibble and everything, but I'd love to get her a fish to eat. I could grill that up for her. Yeah. If I had a spear gun or something, maybe, but I highly doubt there's any fish under there just because of the nets. So we're going to try to head somewhere out there, but first we're going to trek all the way around there, get the raft, and see if that could be a plan. Kid you not, guys, Vanilla goes off on the weirdest adventures. I saw her go there and then she went somewhere there. I don't know where the hell she is. I kid you not, this where did the dog find some? Oh, there you are. It'd be cool if there's some fish under there, but it's where did the dog find some really hidden spots I did not even see here. Good job. Oh snap. This is like a whole shortcut. Aha! Yo! I gotta keep following that damn dog. I'm not gonna lie, so now I know a shortcut that I could use to head quickly to the spot that I need to get to. Alright, I'm gonna go lay down before, and then we can figure this out. Oh shoot, guys, I see a whole huddle of like, yo, but them be small though, them be real small, massa. But there's a whole, yo, you guys not gonna be able to see it. I think I'm gonna jump into the water to show you guys. I definitely need to do this. Yo, forgive me if I'm rambling on. I'm just sharing my experience. You guys are the only ones that I have here with me. It's a solo camping trip, minus Vanilla. So it's like my audience is here. You know, that's the cool part about vlogging. But I'm gonna throw my goggles on and see what's up. Alright guys, quick life update. I'm in the tent right now. Yeah. This is basically my little setup. I did make sure I bring a pillow. At least I will have a comfortable rest if I'm gonna go to bed hungry. Took off the wet clothing, so at least I'm dry. But I don't know what's gonna happen from this point on. Like, I really don't know. Because the weather is not adding up. I don't have any service out here at all, so if I needed to make a call or whatever, I'll have to just walk with my phone like that. So I guess I might just pause it for here. Maybe the next clip that you guys see will be me actually trying to get to the raft tomorrow or this evening. So for now, yeah. Guys. You know, every time I do these videos, it's just really, I do them for me. It's not really even for like entertainment value, because I know 5 years from now, 10 years from now, I'm gonna look back on them and be like, yo, I remember that memory. So I've been laying in this tent for like maybe 20 minutes, 15 minutes, but it feels like eternity because it's only 2:30 and I'm like, I'm hungry. And then from my right side, I keep hearing like crickets. I don't know if you guys can hear them, but it started getting louder and louder. And I was like, yo, am I just gonna sit here and listen to crickets? And then I'm just like, all right, I could sleep. but I'm gonna get hungry in the night. And then my mind went all the way back to pomegranates. Like, I remember seeing a pomegranate tree when I went over that side. I am not gonna sit here and be hungry for the rest of the night if I'm not able to go out and fish. So I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna see if I can maybe forage for some pomegranate, whatever it is I can get. If I get wet in the rain, then so be it, but pomegranates. Alright, so we're gonna take the path that Vanilla showed us earlier. Should be a shortcut, I would suppose. And I'm almost certain that there's some pomegranate around where I'm going to. Maybe not old enough, but let's just hope for the best. Yeah, I know in Jamaica we call it pomegranate. I know that, but if you understand me a while ago, that means you know what it is, yeah? That little dog is so smart. I need to get her a GoPro so you guys can see her perspective. I do have a small one, but it's not working anymore, so that's out of it. All right. You know, for shits and giggles, I'm gonna actually follow this dog and see if we get there. Just for the fun of it. If you think Vanessa's gonna lead us to the correct path, drop it in the comments. We'll see. Just for shits and giggles. No freaking way. It actually leads us to the pathway. This damn dog. What? I'm not even joking. That's why I kept the camera on. To show you guys. What? This is a joke, bro. What is this? It's a freaking pathway. I love you, Vanilla. Yo, this is crazy, bro. This literally cut my journey in half. What happened? Come here. I just heard her scream. Come on. You got stuck somewhere? Come on, mama. Tour guide Vanilla. All right. All right, good job, Vanilla. All right, what kind of tree is this? Is this a pomegranate or? All right. Drop in the comments if you know what kind of tree this is. Oh, this is not a pomegranate. A pomegranate. This is a passion fruit. Woo! Oh my gosh. Guys, we jackpotted. Guys, and it's so ripe. There's so many down here. No, wait, yeah, it's a guava. Ooh. Guys, we jackpotted, yo. And get guava. Jackpot. This is definitely helping a lot. And there's so many that fell. Ooh. Or at least I have something to eat. I'm sure that there's more on the tree I can get. So I remember someone did ask me to do a foraging video, so I guess by chance that's what I'm doing. Look at that. Fresh passion fruit. This one looked nice and red. Something was eating this one. Probably a bird. But that's okay. Vanilla, you want some? Do you eat this? Okay. Ooh, this one is nice and red. Yeah, I know. It's kind of like pink, not red. Ooh. Can I tell you, I've never done this in my life. I never had passion fruit apart from in drinks. Organic. It's as organic as it gets. Just growing out there in the wild. You pick, you go, you eat. I'm gonna take a couple more of these so I can take it back to the camp. If I don't get no fish or nothing, I can have this for later. And I'm just being smart here, trying to make sure no wasp or nothing like that not in the tree, cause not nice. You'd be so surprised what a couple guavas have done for my morale right now. All right, let's head out. Guava tree. Thank you. Sha. Honestly, this is not where I want to go, but when you're out here, this is like entertainment. And I did hear like some water coming down, so maybe a small waterfall, maybe something, I don't know. Oh, whoa. There's literally thousands of toads just running on the floor. Thousands, bro. Isn't that something? like a little pool. All right. Yo, it's so funny how much can change in the space of a month out here, because in a month with so much rainfall, everything is just growing and growing and growing. Before I could have easily crossed the part that I got to just now, I can't. I'm just trying to find a good fishing spot, man. What do you think, Vanilla? Go to the original plan or just cast or what? So remember, the original plan was using this thing. Oh wait, it's definitely somebody's because they have this thing planted here. Yeah. What will I do? Come off, hey people, them rough, sis. Come, Vanilla. Man, you fall in. Alright, so we'll start casting from here. The net's not too far away, so that's good. Even if I get tangled, I can easily pull it in and take out my thing. I just saw a nice build up over there, so it's definitely fish in there. Alright, let's just cast and see what happens for us. Remember I told you that there's a lot of these fish. Watch. I'm gonna use bread, show you how good a bait it is. You want bread too? Mm-hmm. Fit. Alright, like they would say, fishing is a patient man's game. Can't say I'm the most patient person, but I'm gonna use this bamboo to kind of make a fishing rod holder. And then I'll just drop the fishing rod inside. Bingo. like a little boat, I guess. Funny, it doesn't even dissolve off the thing so quick, which is kind of cool. Let's hope for the best. Anna's over there worried. I'm coming, I'm coming. Jump off this sinking ship. This thing is sinking. Oh no, no, no. Wow. That was something else. I swear. It never stops raining here. Anyway, that's how I saw them park this yacht. It's one poorly built yacht, I swear. It was kept sinking and everything like that, but gave me a little time out there. I think because of the nets. I'll definitely have to cross over the nets, but I do not trust being on that. All right, you know, I'm forced to say, yo, is this really guavas that I'm gonna be eating today? But as they would say, it's small victories, man. Don't have to win big, but win small. And I won't lie, these babies, no, not my oh my god, this is really a jungle. Have given me a boost. All right, let's head home. It's getting dark. Vanilla? Okay. I'm so surprised this dog knows exactly where the house is. The tent, sorry. She gone, literally. She's gone. Good job. Good job, Manila. She almost fell. Alright, so we got back to the camp. I don't want to give up just yet, to be honest. I really don't want to give up just yet. Yeah, this might be a little bit selfish that they netted off everything. It's like a whole perimeter. But I'm gonna hope for the best. I mean, there are chances that there are fish somewhere off in this little part, apart from the babies. So let's see. Alright, so we're in the tent, mixed emotion kind of day. The nets with the fishing type of thing kind of made me feel a little bit, yeah. Did find organic guava, that was a whole vibe. So I guess I got successful in that sense. Let's see how tomorrow goes. I do have Netflix on my phone, downloaded it. I think that's an essential when you go camping, because you definitely go to bed by around 6 o'clock. So at least there's something to watch, and then the river in the background definitely is gonna knock me to sleep really quick. I am hungry, but I don't feel like I'm gonna die. Let's see what tomorrow has to hold. I'll catch you in the morning.